morning, everyone. I am at the store. I'm about to get some items and then go home, clean my kitchen, and start cooking for tonight. And then tonight, I'm gonna start cooking for tomorrow. So this is for the roast and potatoes for tomorrow. We're making macaroni and cheese, banana pudding, and then I got some Hawaiian rolls, and then some little trim. And then over here, don't judge me, this is how I do it so I can make sure I got everything. So for the spaghetti, the chicken, my greens, and the yams. And here's the greens, all the seasonings, it's in there. And then I still need to get 2 more pans and some brown sugar. Alright, so I put the garlic butter and my garlic cloves all in it, and I'm just gonna sit it in the refrigerator until tomorrow till I'm ready there. Oh, it smells so good too, y'all, already. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah! I know that's right! I know that's right!
They already opened. My kids don't know how to vlog.
Are those long johns?
First off, these are Blazing Beauty pajamas.
Oh! Did you get where my box?
Don't talk to me. Oh yeah, I could have wrapped it up, huh? Take.
Am I an object?
Yes.
Am I in a household?
Yes.
In what room could I be found?
Any room.
Am I light?
No, but it has a light.
Am I a lamp?
No.
Banana bread?
No.
Peanut butter? Wait.
Peanut butter jelly time.
You use
You're
bread.
right. You use bread. You guys meat.
Burger.
No.
Ariel.
It's Ariel's turn.
Right to the yellow.